Hi everyone, we are excited to present Cascade, an AI powered compound risk intelligence system for Southern California. The problem we focused on is simple. Today, major environmental and infrastructure risks are monitored in silos. Ocean conditions are tracked separately for marine ecosystem health, earthquake exposure and analyzed separately from climate stress, and energy resilience is treated as yet another isolated system. But in the real world, disasters do not happen in silos, they cascade across systems. That is why we built Cascade. Cascade brings together four different signals into one unified view of regional risk. Our first agent, Ocean Sentinel, monitors ocean conditions that can influence broader climate stress and fire related patterns. Our second agent, Marine Shield, uses machine learning on historical ocean data to forecast marine ecosystem stress, especially hypoxia risk or low oxygen conditions that can harm marine life. Our third agent, Seismic Layer, evaluates earthquake exposure and geological vulnerability. And our fourth agent, Gen Power agent, looks at energy resilience because even when risk events happen, recovery depends heavily on whether the grid and backup energy systems can hold up. Each of these agents produces its own risk signal. Cascade then combines them into a compound risk score. So instead of asking users to interpret four disconnected systems, we give them one clear picture of how fragile a region is becoming. But we did not want to stop at score. After computing the score, we used Google Gemini to generate a natural language situation report. This makes the system understandable not just for technical users but also for planners, responders, and decision makers who need fast situational awareness. What makes Cascade different is that it is not just a dashboard and not just a single ML model. It is a decision support system. It connects climate, ecosystem, geological, and infrastructure signals into one interpretable workflow. The impact is straightforward. Cascade helps emergency planning and response teams understand not only whether risk is rising, but also what is driving that risk. That means faster prioritization, clearer monitoring, and better informed response under complex conditions. In short, Cascade turns fragmented environmental signals into actionable intelligence. Thank you.